Hello. Hello, pecan tree. This is a month of September 15th. Here, the pecan tree, it's getting ready. Pecan is getting ready to make the pecan pie. Pecan pie. During Thanksgiving, comes before Christmas, Europe, America, they will make the pecan pie, and how nature helps us for pecan pie. Do you know the pecan tree takes a rest? 1 year they produce huge, and next year they may have few here, and how nature follow or maintain the rules. This pecan will open their shell end of the October, and before Thanksgiving, November, they are ready for your dish. Sweet pecan pie. Here, the pecan, they're dancing with the slow motion. It's full. Ooh, the wind feels so good in here. They're loaded this year, and they're dancing early in the morning with the breeze. America will earn $1 billion just from the pecan pie. And Texas, Houston, the Good A company makes the most pecan pie. Thank you, nature. Thank you, pecan. Pecan is a nuts, and they will be your dining table dish to make your guest and host sweet. Pecan, hello.